This incident underscores the importance of parking heavy equipment on level, stable ground to prevent tipping hazards. When ascending steep grades with heavy cargo, it is critical to maintain engine performance and brake integrity so that vehicles can safely stop even if power is lost. This collision demonstrates the hazards of insufficient clearance and the need to maintain safe following distances, especially where uneven terrain may cause one vehicle to become airborne. The impact sheared the truck's frame in two, emphasizing the necessity for rigorous structural safety standards and thorough evaluation of collision forces. The yellow truck's rear axle fractured completely, highlighting the importance of regular inspection and maintenance of critical mechanical components. Submerging a wheel entirely in deep water creates a loss of control hazard. Drivers must assess water depth before attempting to cross. Protruding pipes exceeded the vehicle's height clearance, reminding operators to verify load dimensions against all overhead restrictions. Despite severe rear damage, the vehicle continued operating due to its intact front engine assembly, illustrating the value of redundant safety features. On icy surfaces, vehicles are prone to lateral skidding. However, proper anti-lock braking and controlled steering can still achieve a safe stop before impact. The transporter collapsed onto active rail tracks, underscoring the necessity of coordinating heavy load movements with rail authorities to avoid catastrophic collisions. Two tires detached simultaneously, indicating a critical lapse in tire maintenance and the need for routine checks to ensure all wheels remain securely fastened. The excavator emitted dense white smoke, signaling potential engine or hydraulic system failures that require immediate inspection. The steamroller collided with the truck, fracturing its front axle and demonstrating why clear operational zones and communication protocols are essential. The tractor crossed the railway just as the barriers descended, illustrating the importance of obeying crossing signals and allowing sufficient time before proceeding. A broken track sprocket immobilized the excavator, highlighting the need for routine inspection of undercarriage components to prevent costly downtime. When reversing a large vehicle onto a public roadway, a trained ground guide must provide standardized signals to ensure safe maneuvering. Although the lead truck stopped safely, the following vehicle could not react in time, reinforcing the importance of maintaining adequate following distance. The abrupt stop at a red light caught the trailing driver off guard, emphasizing the need for defensive driving and vigilance at traffic signals. Transporting 9 vehicles on one trailer requires precise weight distribution and secure fastening. Failure to comply can compromise stability and safety. Neglecting to engage the handbrake while refueling allowed the tanker to roll unintentionally. Always apply parking brakes before servicing any container. Loss of control on a curved road with a heavy load can cause rollovers. Operators must reduce speed and adhere to safe cornering practices. Sudden braking by one vehicle can trigger a chain reaction collision. drivers should maintain safe distances and anticipate unexpected stops. Worn tires on slippery roads severely reduce traction. Drivers must use appropriate tire types and adjust their speed to current surface conditions. A sharp metal fragment penetrated the tire, demonstrating how road debris can cause blowouts. Routine tire inspections help mitigate this risk. An improperly executed U-turn can endanger all road users. Operators should receive adequate training and assess available space before attempting. Securing loads with chains requires anchoring to robust support points. Using weak anchors increases the risk of load shift under wind or motion. Recovering heavy machinery from water demands a coordinated crane operation with skilled personnel to ensure a safe and damage-free retrieval.
아니야, 네. 내 차차.
The excavator crushed the car under its tracks, underscoring the lethal hazards of operating heavy equipment near other vehicles and the need for strict exclusion zones. machine's systematic disassembly of the vehicle resembles precision work, highlighting the importance of controlled demolition procedures and operator expertise. The truck breached the building wall, creating an exact fit opening and demonstrating the need for secure perimeter barriers around vulnerable structures. After coming to rest against the guardrail, crews removed surrounding material to facilitate recovery, illustrating the necessity of recovery planning and proper equipment. If a vehicle fire becomes uncontrollable, pull over safely, evacuate all occupants to a safe distance, and immediately call emergency services, prioritizing human life above all. A single spark can ignite dry hay bales into an uncontrollable blaze. Transporting combustible materials requires strict fire prevention measures. Even with a wheel loader's assistance, the transport remained bogged down on soft ground, demonstrating the challenges of maneuvering heavy loads on unpaved surfaces. The collision tore the van's roof off, illustrating how insufficient structural protection can lead to catastrophic damage and accidents. A wheel loader operating at an unstable angle risks tipping its load. Operators must assess ground conditions and use stabilizing measures before work. Changing lanes without verifying blind spots places all road users at risk. Drivers must perform mirror and shoulder checks before any lane change. Both vehicles braked in time at the intersection, averting a collision, highlighting the effectiveness of proper braking and driver alertness. A dispute between a car driver and an excavator operator escalated on site, underscoring the importance of conflict de-escalation and professional conduct. The car's side mirror was clipped by a loose shopping cart, demonstrating the need for secure parking environments and vigilance around pedestrian areas. When rising water threatens levees, heavy equipment should be moved to higher ground immediately to protect both machinery and personnel. Always engage the parking brake and shift into park before exiting any vehicle to prevent unintended movement and potential accidents. Operating a vehicle under the influence of alcohol significantly endangers lives. Individuals should never drive impaired and must seek alternative transportation.